In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view saved passwords on Google Chrome browser desktop. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the More icon, which appears as 3 vertical dots. From that menu, move your cursor over Passwords and Autofill. A side menu will appear. In that side menu, click Google Password Manager. There is also another way to get to the same place. If you prefer, you can click Settings from the Chrome menu instead. Then in the left sidebar, click Autofill and Passwords. After that, choose Google Password Manager. Once you are in Google Password Manager, you will see a list of saved website accounts. If you have many saved logins, you can scroll through the list to find the website you want. To make this faster, use the search bar at the top and type the name of the website. When you find the website entry you want to inspect, click on it to open its details. At this point, Chrome will ask you to verify your identity before showing any sensitive information. You may be asked to enter your device PIN, your computer password, or use a biometric sign-in method, such as fingerprint authentication or facial recognition, depending on your system. After you verify your identity, look for the Show Password icon next to the hidden password dots. The icon usually looks like an eye. Click that icon, and the saved password will be revealed on screen. That covers everything you need to know.